Whew, man, is it cold in here? Nah, that's just the BRRRR method making me feel like a cold-blooded real estate investor. Okay, so what the heck is the BRRRR method? The BRRRR method is a popular, tried and tested real estate investing strategy that stands for buy, rehab, rent, refinance, repeat. If completed to its highest potential, you could potentially purchase a single-family home and turn it into a real estate portfolio without coming out of pocket at all. Intrigued now? Buy means you first purchase a property. It could be a condo, townhouse, single-family home, really doesn't matter. Typically, this is done through a hard or private money lender, but ideally in all cash. In order for the strategy to work, you'll need to buy a property that's seen way better days. The key is to find a property that you get way under market value. Rehab. Rehab means you then renovate the property and bring it up to current day standards. This could be like cosmetic touch-ups, new exterior paint, new kitchen countertops, or it could be heavy additions like adding additional rooms or bathrooms. Rent means you then rent out your fresh, swanky new property to tenants. The key is to project and set a monthly rental amount that will cover or ideally be more than your new mortgage payment that occurs in the next step. Refinance. Refinance means you then go to the bank and put a mortgage on your property, but specifically a cash out refinance. A cash out refinance allows you to actually tap into your home's newly built equity and withdraw cash out. Typically, the amount you receive back is between 70 and 80% of the home's newly appraised value. If you do this correctly, you'll then recoup your initial investment and potentially profit. Total win-win. Repeat. Repeat means you then now, with your reloaded cash in hand, get to do it all over again with another property. Rinse and repeat, baby. My advice is to have the end goal in mind. It is crucial for you to know what your ARV or after repair value will be. You also must be able to accurately calculate your estimated rehab costs. Understanding the area's rental market, and most importantly, getting a smoking deal on the property. I also recommend reading David Green's awesome book, Buy, Rehab, Rent, Refinance, Repeat, The BRRRR Rental Property Investment Strategy Made Simple. It's a mouthful, great read though. It does a phenomenal job of breaking down every step that I've talked about in this video, and it's basically become the BRRRR Investor Bible. There are a lot of nuances that we haven't discussed in this video. For example, does the BRRRR even make sense in this current market with such high interest rates? Or what if I don't want to do a cash out refinance? So if you would like to explore the BRRRR method more or have a property in mind that would be ideal for the strategy, shoot me a message because there's a lot to talk about.